Hey everybody, this is Lena from Just a Little Bit Country, and today we're going to finish unmolding these pretty things. Oh. I'll have to turn this down. Turn that off. And we're going to go over here and I'm going to unmold. We're not going to unmold the sea turtle because we have to pour another thing on the sea turtle. So we'll put him over here so we're going to work on him. But we will unmold this thing here. We're through with him. You were able to see me do him last night. He actually showed up in the video, whereas pop sockets weren't able to be seen while I was mixing them up. So tonight, hopefully, I've got it fixed to where we can see everything. So, remember it went on white? Well, it's purple. And the back looks like that. So we have that finished. And now the pop sockets that you didn't get to see while I was putting them in, I'll open them up now and show you what they look like. So, I did the vintage time clock with the roses in this one. And then I did the crescent moon, the steampunk and the roses. And I did the crescent moon with the bat cat. I did the little gothic teddy bear. I did the skeleton with the purple roses. I did this one with the rose and the butterflies. I will have to cut it down a little bit right there. And then I did the love heart in the heart. And it is off a little bit, but you know, it still looks okay. For those, I might actually pour some more of those, but not right now. I'm going to put him over there. And I do have the pop socket things that go on them, which I will put on them at a later date. See, those things that go on the pop socket. We'll do another one of these at a later date. So we're going to have to pour the resin, another layer of resin on that. And I want to do another resin thing. I want to do this one here. So I want to do this one tonight. And its stand. Oh, and here's the cats. We still have to finish the cats. Got the purple cat, the green cat, and the red cat. We have to finish these up today too. I'm going to put these here. I want to make damn sure that I got this on here so we can see, because ain't nothing worse than not having your hose shot in the video. You know what I mean? There. That's better. Now my little doggies are going to get angry because they wanted to go out and now they want to come in. They're like little children. I swear they are. They're like little bitty children. Out and in and out. Out and in and out. We are going to do the cats first. The cats and this one here. So we'll have this pour done. So, let me, woohoo. That made a nifty little mess, didn't it? yucky. I was bothered with that. I don't want that in there. Dried resin. I'll put that there. These little dry resin pieces here. They might be able to be useful for something someday. Look, I got a purple one, a red one, a blue one, and a black one. And they shimmer. Look at those. I'm going to use them for something. I don't know what it would be. Then we'll keep them. I can use them in a different thing. Anything in that one? Nope, that one's clean. Put these here. Okay, so let's get this thing here. We're going to do 100 milliliters. Let's see. Does that go up to 300? It does go to 300. So let's do 150 milliliters, and then we'll go up to 100. 150 milliliters. 150, 150, that'd be 150 there. It adds up to that. Do 150 milliliters of this hardener. We're going to go all the way up to the 300 with the resin. Oh, not quite there yet. Ooh, we are where we need to go, and that's just almost really too full. Woo! Almost really too full. Go let my dogs back in. Let's move these little dudes over here, so don't grab them and run with them. Because you know that's what Miss Ava's just dying to do. Run with whatever's out. Because that's her MOS. That's just what she does. Let's go get them. Let them back in real quick. Mama ain't playing right now. Mama's got to get over here and finish what Mama started doing. Yeah, go on. Go. Go on with yourself. I just gotta fix this before it falls on the floor. It's liable to. But my butt keeps making it fall out. Come out from under there. Hey, either get in it or move. Okay, so start this up. Get that right out of my hands. I feel like buying a bunch more of these little pink silicone things and just taping them all over my table over here on this end. Because you know I make a mess, right? No matter what I do, I'm making a mess. Well, I guess you can't make a mess. It ain't no fun, right? What in the heck is that? Get out of there. I'm going to have to buy some more resin pretty soon. I do have a little bit of that Dollar Tree resin left, but I want to give each one of my granddaughters a set of that. And I think I got one over there now, and I need to get 2 more to put in the girls' bags, along with some molds for them to do their own thing. So I know at one time my granddaughter, her and Jade, wanted to do, you know, unmold her molds on TikTok. I don't know if she's still into that, but when they first moved to Texas, that's what she wanted to do. She wanted some resin so she could do her molds on TikTok. Yeah, I thought something on there that didn't need to be on there. Like a hair of some kind of crap. It's still down there, I see it. Get out of there. I see a hair down there. And there's another freaking hair down in there. God damn it. What in the world? There's a hair down in there. How did a hair get down in there? What a pain in the butt. Go turn that heater off in a minute too. It gets too damn hot here. And I hate having to sleep with the heater on too. That just drives me batty. I do not want the heater on when I'm sleeping. I want the air conditioner on when I'm sleeping. I'd rather it be cold than hot. You know, when it's hot, you're just miserable. When it's cold, you can, you know, make yourself warmer. I don't like to sleep hot. Got hair out of there. Yeah, look there. Hair everywhere. Don't like that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just pour a layer of this over top of him. Just finish filling him up. There. He's done. He can sit right there. That's all we're going to do to him. So let's see, we need green. I want to use, we used that color green the last time, didn't we? Miss J. Maybe I will use a little bit of this green this time. This is just regular green. Stand up, little pussycat. Put you over here. Put the pussycat right here. And do this green pussycat first. The green mica powder down in there. I think that's going to stir. Not that. That's not mica powder. You either. You stink. We'll start with this thing here. Maybe. Maybe. I want to make sure it's getting down there in that hat real good. Down there where it needs to go real good. What do you want, Miss Gracie? What do you want, Miss Gracie? Oh, I know. It's just terrible, isn't it, Missy? But we're done with whatever you're wanting to do. I'm not going back out again. Nope. Not going back out again, Missy. I told you that once already. Okay, this is green turquoise. We're going to mix a little bit of green paint up. I thought for sure that would have had something over top of it. I'm going to use this green turquoise, I think. Once I can get it open over here. Go lay down. I just told you no, didn't I? Did I tell you no? Pretty sure I told you no. You just come in. I know there's a cat out there, but we ain't going out there. That's the only reason why you want to go outside. There's a cat in the window. Yep, that's all your problem is. There's a cat outside, and we're just not going to do it. Afraid not. Nope. Go lay down somewhere. Mama's not playing that game tonight. Sorry. Sorry, Mama's not doing the in and out crap. You're out all day long, and you just went out again, so you are fine. Yes, you are. I'm going to mix up this green turquoise to pour down in here. This is the devil cat. Where's my granddaughter, Carmen? Why is it black? Why is that black? She's got some really black in there. Oh, I know what came up with that. Put a little bit more of that in there. It's up in the mold. The mold got this stuff real good. I don't do eyeballs, so if my grandbabies want eyeballs for these little kitty kitties, they're going to have to paint them on. When I do eyeballs, they turn out to look like poop, and then it irritates me, because I don't do eyeballs very well. Yeah, that's what happens with that. Let's go put you back where you come from. here. We got getting some, maybe some gold. Oh, we got some green. Let's get this green. We're going to put some of this green sparkly down into this. Maybe, if I can get it out. Some of this sparkly up in there. Let it settle where it settles. It can settle where it settles. And we're going to pour him the rest of the way. Stir it a little bit more so it doesn't sit with a big fat bubble right there, because it will. We are going to set him right back here, and we're going to pray nobody decides to knock him over. That being said, I better put something behind him so nobody does, because I know my dogs. Oh, let's put it there like that. There's one. Now, let's work on Mr. Red. We're going to work on the red one that's going to my granddaughter, Madison. Now, I know we got some red paint. We're going to use some red, scarlet red paint in this bad boy this time. And she's got the witchy cat. Put a couple of things of red down here. Red down in there. I want to go ahead and put a layer of the regular resin down in here. I don't want to set it like that so it fills that spot and doesn't commence to bubbles like that big fat bubble I see right now. Up there. You're just dreaming, little puppy, because it's not going back out. Let's mix this red up real good. While we say that, let's get some of this red sparkly right here. Go ahead and put some of this down here. Mix that up in there. I'm going to pour this red down in here. Yeah, we ain't going out right now, mister. You see, I'm not taking it back out. Not right now. Maybe a couple hours from now, but not right now. No. Stop that whining. Gracie, I'm not playing. No, you just came in, and it's only because there's a cat out there, so quit whining. It ain't like you need to potty or anything. You're just wanting to go out there because the damn cat's out there. Not happening. Nope. We are just not going to do it. That's fuchsia. I'm not playing with you, dog. Getting on my nerves. No, I'm down. I do have this thing here to keep the whole thing from falling out the floor. That's not turning very good. What's the deal? Not good enough. Let's pour that down on top of there. I really hope it gets down in there and the bubbles don't show up. I like to see bubbles in that freaking hat. It's driving me crazy. I can see freaking bubbles. It's just driving me nuts though. I'm crazy because I don't like bubbles. Stir it up a little bit like this because of the bubbles, and I can't get a lighter down in there or a heat gun. Well, let's see, what do we do now? What do we do now? Maybe we can put some of this different color red sparkle down in here. Like little beads. Hush! I said no. They look like little beads. No, those are cool. I like those.